Hello students, happy day to all. Welcome to my channel. In this video lecture, we are going to learn about the different people behind DBMS. For a small personal database, a person typically defines, constructs and manipulates the database. However, many persons are involved in the design, use and maintenance of a large database with a few hundred users. Their job involves the day-to-day use of a large database. There are others who work to maintain the database system environment but who are not actively interested in the database itself. There are two categories of people behind DBMS. They are actors on the scene, workers behind the scene. Actors on the scene, the persons who actually use and control the database content, and those who design, develop and maintain the database applications. Workers behind the scene, the persons who design and develop the DBMS software and related tools and even the computer systems operators. Let us see one by one. Actors on the scene. In that, we have DBA, that is database administrator, database designer, end user and software engineer. The first, database administrator. In a DBMS database environment, the primary resource is the database itself and the secondary resource is the DBMS and its related software. In an organization, many users share these resources. Then there arises a need to manage this resource. The DBA is responsible for authorizing access to the database, coordinating and monitoring its use, and for acquiring software and hardware resources as needed. So the person controlling and coordinating the DBMS system is called the DBA, that is database administrator. The next is database designer. Database designers are responsible for identifying the data that is to be stored in the database and also choosing appropriate structures to represent and store the data. They are also responsible to communicate with all prospective database users in order to understand the requirements of the users. They have to develop a view of database that meets the requirements of the users. So this is about database designers. The next actor on the scene is end user. End users are the people who access the database for querying, that is retrieving the data for specific requirement. The next, for updating and generating reports, that is final output. There are different categories of end users. They are casual end users, naive or parametric end user, sophisticated end user, stand-alone end user. The first is casual end user. They are the end users who occasionally access the database. Each time they may require different informations from the database. Even they use sophisticated database query language to specify their request. They need to know only few facilities which they are concerned with and may be used repeatedly. For example, middle or high-level managers. The second end user, naive or parametric end user. Most number of database end users is the naive or parametric end users. They constantly make use of the database, querying and updating the database. They utilize standard types of queries and updates, that is called k-init transaction, which are carefully programmed and tested. For example, bank tellers do the functions of checking account balance and posting the transactions like withdrawing and deposits. One more example, reservation clerks for airlines, railways and hotels, they check for the availability of the facilities, maybe seats or rooms, and then accordingly they make reservations. The next end user, sophisticated end user. They include engineers, scientists, business analysts who thoroughly familiarize with the facilities of DBMS to meet their requirements. They learn most of the DBMS facilities in order to achieve their complex requirements. The next end user, stand-alone user. The main personal database, to maintain the personal database by using a ready-made package. These packages, they provide easy to use menu based or graphics based interface. For example, a tax programs use that creates its own internal database, that is a common taxpayer storing its financial data. The next actors on the scene, software engineer. So system analysts and application programmers are generally referred to as software engineers. System analysts. System analysts determines the requirements of end users, especially naive and parametric users, and they develop specifications for k-init transactions that meets these requirements. The second software engineer is application programmer. Application programmer implements these specifications as programs, test them and debug, document and maintain them. So these analysts and programmers must be aware of all the facilities provided by the DBMS so as to accomplish their task. The next category of people behind DBMS is workers behind the scene. Here we have three, that is DBMS system designer or implementer, tools developer, operators and maintenance personnel. The first, DBMS system designer and implementers. These are the persons who designs and implement the DBMS software package and implement it. The DBMS software, it consisting of many complex modules. It may be the modules like for implementing the catalogs, processing the querying language, processing the interface, accessing and buffering data, controlling concurrency and handling the data recovery and even the security. These all comes under the DBMS system designers and the implementers. The next workers behind the scene is tool developer. Tools are software packages that facilitate database system design and usage, and it help in improving the performance. Tools includes packages for database design, performance monitoring, graphical interface, simulations, and test data generations. Tools are optional packages and often available separately. The next worker behind the screen is operators and maintenance personnel. These are the system administration's personnel who are available for the actual running and maintenance of the hardware and software environment for the database system. So they are the responsible for the day-to-day operations of the systems. So these are the different peoples behind DBMS. So in this class we have discussed about the different peoples behind DBMS. So in that we have two categories, that is the first is actors on the scene, the second workers behind the scene. In actors on the scene we have database administrator, database designer, end users and system analyst, application program, that is software engineer. In end user we have casual end user, naive or parametric end user, sophisticated end user and standalone end user. The next category, that is workers behind the scene. In that we have learned about the DBMS system designer, implementer, tool administrator, tool developer, operators and maintenance personnel. All under this peoples behind the DBMS. I hope you understood today's class. So next class we are going to learn about the implications of database approach. If you not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do it right now, and you also click on bell icon so that you don't miss out any notifications. Apart from that, you also visit our Telegram channel Bhavya's Education to get study materials. That's it for this video lecture. We'll meet very soon in the next video lecture. Thank you.